Hello everyone. Welcome again in class 8th English grammar. Student, this is lesson 9 of class 8th. Here in this video lecture student, we are going to read a very important topic of English grammar, that is intensifiers and mitigators. Students, so first of all we will get here that what is intensifier. Students, intensifiers are adverb or adverbial phrase that reinforce the meaning of verb, adjective, and adverb. For example, student, this jam is really tasty. So here tasty is what? Adjective. And here really is what? Really is intensifier. Because really reinforce the meaning of here tasty means really reinforce an adjective that is tasty. Number 2 student, Romal was being so sweet today. So again here student, sweet is what? Adjective. And so reinforce the meaning of an adjective that is sweet. Now number 3 student, Sheetal utterly embarrassed. Here what is embarrassed? Embarrassed is verb. So here utterly reinforced the meaning of the verb embarrassed. So student, here really, show, and utterly, these are what? Intensifier. Why they are intensifier? Because they reinforce the meaning of verb and here adjective. Now students, mitigators, what is mitigators? Mitigators are words that modify the meaning of verb, adjective or adverb to make them weaker or reducing their effect. So it is just the opposite of intensifier student. They make them weaker and reducing their effect. For example, I am a little offended. I am a little offended. I am offended. How much? A little. So here a little makes the effect of offended very less. Second one example student, Ayan was late. How much late? A bit late. So what is a bit here? A bit is mitigator that makes the meaning of late reducing the meaning of the late here. Now third one student, the weather reports predict fairly heavy. How much heavy? Fairly heavy. So here the word fairly reduce the meaning of the word heavy. So student, here we have got that a little, a bit and fairly, they are making the effect of the word. That's why these are what? These are mitigators. So student, we have got here that mitigators are just the opposite of intensifier. Intensifier makes the word strong, but mitigators makes the verb, adjective and adverb weak. Now student, there are some important intensifiers are given here. Number 1, very is the most frequently used intensifier in English. Students, so let us take some example here. Number 1, Kamachi is very rude to the customer. So student, very is here what? It is intensifier. My mother makes very tasty gulab jamuns. So student, here what is very? Very is intensifier. Now student, there are some other intensifier. Insanely, awfully, terribly, dreadfully. These words have negative connotation. Student, they are used in negative sense. For example, when used as an intensifier in sentence, they serve the purpose of strengthening the word clever, talented and fun. For example, Hema is an insanely clever girl. So insanely is here. In negative sense it is insanely clever girl. So insanely is what? mitigate intensifier here. Now next word, this chocolate pudding is awfully tasty. So awfully is what, student? It is in negative sense here. That's why it is intensifier here. Now she is still dreadfully afraid of the dark. So dreadfully also gives the negative sense here, and that's why here it is intensifier. Students, so we have got here that insanely, awfully, terribly, dreadfully, these are used for negative connotation, and they are, what is the purpose of it? Their purpose are to strengthen the word like clever, tasty, afraid, talented, and fun. Now students, some more intensifiers are here. Next one is ever and on earth. So these words ever and on earth are used to emphasize the verb had. For example, student, and such words are mostly used in interrogative sentence and negative sentence. So first example, I don't think I have ever had figs. So ever is used here to make the word had more powerful. Second example, it doesn't ever rain nowadays. So student, here in this example also ever is used and it makes the verb rain more powerful. Now number 3, this is a question. So why on earth are you walking when you are sick? So here on earth makes the verb walking more powerful. Now number 4, what on earth are you reading? So here student, on earth intensifier make the verb reading more powerful. So student, that's why here ever, on earth are intensifier because they are making the verb more powerful. Now student, next one, at all. It means anyway or to any extent. And at all is used in question and in negative sentence. So first one, student, have you finished any work at all? This is a question sentence and here it is used. Number 2, my classmates were not interested at all. This is a negative sentence, student. Number 3, this plant does not look healthy at all. So this one is again a negative sentence. Number 4, do you cook at all? So this is a question. So student, what is the meaning of this here? Anyway or to any extent. So here student, at all is what? At all is an intensifier. Now student, examples of mitigators. So number 1 here, slightly and rather are used with comparative adjective and placed before a noun also. Student, and it is used with verb also. So student, the first example is here given. The clock seems slightly tilted to the right. So how much tilted? Slightly tilted. So slightly makes the verb how? Weak. Now I am rather displeased. How much displeased? Rather. So here rather, student, makes the word displeased less powerful. So here slightly and rather are what? Slightly and rather are mitigators. Now fairly and rather, student, next one. Fairly and rather are most commonly used mitigators in English language. Now examples are given here. Number 1, I am rather busy with my work evening. In this evening, I am rather busy with my work evening. So here how much busy? Rather busy. Don't worry, yours is a fairly good drawing. So what is fairly here? Again mitigator. Number 3, it is rather chilly outside. So what is rather, student? Rather is mitigator. I am rather busy with my work this evening. So what is rather here? Rather is mitigator. So student, we have got here that rather and fairly are the most commonly used mitigator and they are used to make the verb less powerful. Now student, here given is a table with a few words that can be substituted for some intensifier and mitigators. For example, so avoid using the intensifier and mitigators and we can use the single word. For example, for very happy, we can say ecstatic, overjoyed and euphoric. For very sad, we can say miserable and depressed. For fairly good, we can say decent and reasonable. Very tasty, we can say delicious and delectable. For slightly offended, we can say miffed and peeved. For very big, we can say enormous and huge. So student, we can avoid the use of intensifier and mitigators and we can use these words, these single words instead of using intensifiers and mitigators. So all of you learn these words. So thank you for watching the video, student, and keep watching my videos.